Imagine earning an extra £1,000 each month, enough to cover rent, save up, or treat yourself without stressing about money. Today I'll show you side hustles that aren't just hype, they are realistic, doable, and can actually work if you're willing to put in the effort. Let's get into it. Before we go into new skills or complicated setups, let's keep it simple. Start with what you already know and do well. You'd be surprised how much value you can bring with skills you use every day. So for example, tutoring. Whether you're good at math, science, or even a hobby like photography, there's someone out there willing to pay to learn. Platforms like Tutorful or Superprof make it easy to connect with students, and you can charge anywhere from 15 to £50 an hour depending on your expertise. If you have experience in graphic design, writing, or digital marketing, sites like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to showcase your skills. You set your rates, meaning you could charge enough to hit that £1,000 goal. You set your rates, meaning you could charge enough to hit that £1,000 goal in just a few projects. So you can, for example, start by offering a few lowered price jobs. You can start by offering a few lower price jobs to build up reviews and credibility. Once you have a portfolio, increase your rate. It's easy to doubt if people would pay for your skills, but believe me, people pay good money for things they can't or don't want to do themselves. If you are skilled at something, there's a market for it. Next up, let's look at the power of online marketplaces. Whether it's selling your own stuff, flipping items, or creating something entirely new, marketplaces make it possible to reach buyers fast. We all have things we don't use, from clothes to gadgets, just gathering dust. List them on Depop, Vinted, or Facebook Marketplace. With the right items, it's totally possible to make £100 or more per week just by cleaning up your space. Está muito rápido. With the right items, it's totally possible to make £100 or more per week just by clearing out your space. Flipping items for profit. This one takes a bit of know-how but can be super rewarding. So check out thrift shops, flea markets, or even your local Facebook marketplace. Buy low and sell high. People are flipping clothes, electronics, and furniture every day. Start small and look for high-demand items like branded clothes, small furniture pieces, or even rare books. You could make anywhere from £20 to £100 per item if you know what to look for. The key here is consistency. Make it a weekly habit to search for items, clean them up if needed, and list them with great photos. Don't think it's easy money, it's effort that pays off if you commit to it. Now, remote jobs and microtasking. Remote work isn't just for 9-to-5 jobs. If you are looking for flexible part-time remote work, microtasking or customer service gigs are solid options. São palavras que eu não leio. So websites like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker let you earn by completing short, simple tasks. It's not a huge income, but it's steady, and if you put in a few hours, it can add up. Tasks like data entry, categorizing content, or even testing websites can earn you between £5 to £20 per hour. Then you have customer service and virtual assistants. Companies constantly hire part-time customer service or virtual assistants. Check out the job boards like Indeed, FlexJobs, or Remote. You can earn between £10 to £15 per hour, and if you work 20 to 30 hours a month, you just hit your £1,000 goal. Microtasking isn't glamorous and customer service isn't easy, but if you're serious about making extra money, these jobs are reliable and you can do them from home. Now, if you're looking for something active, delivery services are an amazing side hustle with the flexibility you want. Food delivery. For example, apps like Deliveroo, Uber Eats, or Just Eat are always looking for drivers and riders. On average, you can make £8 to £15 per hour, plus tips. If you're in a busy area, you can easily make £100 or more over a weekend. Amazon Flex offers shifts where you can deliver packages in your area, earning around £13 to £15 an hour. It's flexible, and since you can choose your hours, it's easy to fit around other commitments. Yes, these jobs mean being out there in all weather, but they are a realistic way to make good money fast. And hey, a little hustle never hurt anyone. Then you have freelance writing or content creation. For example, writing isn't just for journalists. With so many websites needing fresh content, freelance writing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online. Websites like ProBlogger, Upwork, and Freelancer have endless gigs for writers. You could write blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media content. Rates vary, but an experienced writer can charge from £30 to £100 per article. And then small businesses often don't have the budget for full-time creators. They offer to create social media posts or blog content, charging around Small businesses often don't have the budget for full-time creators. Offer to create social media posts or blog content, charging around £50 to £100 for a set package. With a few clients, you could easily reach that £1,000 goal. Freelance writing isn't about perfection, it's about producing solid, readable content. As long as you're consistent and deliver what the client wants, you can build a steady income. Now, if you are an animal lover, why not get paid to spend time with pets? Sites like Rover or Tailster make it easy to connect with pet owners. On average, you can make around £10 to £20 per walk or visit, depending on location. Pet sitting can be more lucrative, especially for overnight stays, earning around £30 to £50 per night. Imagine just 10 pet sitting gigs a month. That could easily add up for £1,000 without much extra effort. Pet sitting may sound easy, but remember, it's a commitment. You are responsible for someone else's pet, so treat it like a real job. And then you've got specialized, imagine that you have specialized knowledge. Online courses or coaching could be a perfect fit. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare let you teach almost anything from cooking to coding. Courses don't need to be super complex. Just choose a topic you're good at. With consistent sales, courses can bring passive income. If by any chance you have professional expertise, consider coaching on sites like Teachable, Clarity.fm, or even offering private sessions on Zoom. Hourly rates can range from £20 to £100 based on your field. Creating courses and coaching isn't instant money. It's an investment in your time and knowledge, but once it's up and running, it can be a steady side income source. Now the next ones. These won't make you rich overnight, but using cashback apps is a low effort way to learn a little extra on the side. Use apps like Top Cashback or Quidco when shopping online. You get a percentage back on every purchase, which can add up over time. And then you have apps like Swagbags or Inbound Pounds and Eureka. This one I've tried and I continue to use it myself, and you can easily make an extra 5 to 15 pounds. I'll leave the link below. Check it out and check it out. I use it every day. I use it every day, every time I want extra money. These apps pay for surveys. So these apps pay for surveys or watching videos. It's not huge money, but if you're looking to boost your income with minimal effort, it's worth a shot. Of course, this won't hit your £1,000 by themselves, but they are free money for stuff you would do anyway, so why not take advantage? I always think I could be playing a game for free, or I could be playing a game or filling up a survey and still earn money. So if I can do it for free, why can I not do it for a few pounds? So to recap, here are your realistic paths to making £1,000 a month. Use skills you already have, like tutoring or freelancing. Sell or flip items on online marketplaces. Try remote jobs or microtasking for flexibility. Get active with delivery services. Use your writing skills for content creation. Earn with pet sitting or dog walking. Share knowledge through online courses or coaching. Stack small wins with cashback apps. And stack small wins with cashback apps. So there you have it, realistic ways to make £1,000 a month on the side. Remember, no one is going to hand you extra cash. It's up to you to put in the work. Be consistent and take control of your financial future. If you are serious about leveling up your financial situation and want more tips on making money, budgeting and building wealth, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got loads more videos to keep you motivated and on track. You've got this. Let's start making those extra pounds count. Let's start making those extra pounds count. See you in the next video. Ai, eu gosto mais de gravar as cenas do dating. Isto é uma seca. Se calhar depois só vou poder fazer ela.